Hey guys, welcome back. If you ever tried moving heavy furniture by yourself, you know how frustrating it could be. Couches, dressers, cabinets, they're heavy, awkward, and they can easily scratch your floors. But this little tool makes the job way easier. This is the KYX Furniture Dolly Set, and it's designed to help one person move heavy furniture safely. It comes with 4 of these, and they're very handy and easy to use. First, use the included furniture lifter to slightly raise the corner of your furniture. Then simply slide one of the carbon steel dollies underneath it. Each dolly has a thick anti-slip rubber pad, which helps grip the furniture and keeps it from sliding around. Once all 4 dollies are in place, the furniture is supported and ready to move. And check this out. The 360-degree rotating rubber wheels let you move furniture smoothly in any direction. They're also floor-friendly and quiet, so you don't have to worry about damaging hardwood or tile. Each dolly also has a wheel brake, so when you get the furniture exactly where you want it, you can lock it into place. And the best part, this set can handle up to 2,000 pounds of total weight, so it's perfect for moving things like sofas, beds, appliances, and heavy cabinets. Everything you need comes included, so you can start moving furniture right away. It comes with the gloves, the harness, and the raising blocks. If you ever rearrange your house, move things for cleaning, or just want to make heavy lifting easier, this is definitely a handy tool to have around.